What's going on, everyone? Levi here with Fox Ridge Slabs. We have got a special log that we're going to chainsaw mill today. This is the widest cherry crotch that I've ever milled. 34-inch wide crotch on this log. It's about 5 foot long, 21 inches wide. I've been waiting a long time to mill this log, and so we're going to cut it today. What you're going to see me do is I'm going to attach a ladder to the surface of the log. That's going to act as the flat surface for the first cut. We're going to make the first cut, and then from there we're going to start slabbing this log at 2.5 inches thick. These are going to be absolutely perfect for small dining room tables, coffee tables, so many things you can do with these. Really excited to share this log with you guys. Stay until the end. I'm going to reveal the slabs, all of the slabs at the same time at the end, and we're going to see how gorgeous this log is together. Let's start cutting. Guys, this is going awesome so far. 2 slabs down. We probably have another 2 slabs to go in this log. We might be able to get a little bit out of the top cut and the bottom piece that we're left with, but gorgeous figure, gorgeous colors. I wish you guys could smell the smells right now. Cutting cherry, it's such a sweet smell, and there's really nothing like it. It's my favorite smelling wood for sure. One of my favorite woods to work with. Finishes really easy. You guys noticed I was wearing a mask. Dust is terrible to breathe in. It is way dustier than what the camera shows, and so RZ Mask for me is the way to go. I really like them because they're light, they're not heavy, they don't make my neck hurt, they keep the dust out. Check out their website. I'll have it linked in the description below. Use my code Fox Ridge Slabs to save on RZ Mask equipment. Use my code Fox Ridge Slabs to save 10% on Granberg International equipment. I'll have that link down below. Love my Granberg gear. Could not do this without Granberg. Let's keep cutting. Guys, this log could not have gone any better. 5 slabs, 2 and about 5/8 inches thick, 34-inch wide crotch at the widest. I'm so happy with these slabs. These slabs are gonna make incredible tables. Can't wait to see them completely finished, turned into something. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends. We've got a ton of logs to mill, ton of videos to make. Really appreciate all of you. Hope you guys have a good day.